Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel and today we're going to be making some sopes, okay? But we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be doing a comparison between the air fryer and just regular old frying, okay? So we're going to see if this baby can do what that thing can do, okay? So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got our sopes from the store already, like they're pre-made because I didn't want to do them and everything, so that's the easy way to go. We got these at, where did we get them? Kroger? I think we got them at Kroger. They were like maybe less than $5. And we're gonna have our crema mexicana, okay? This is our sour cream, kind of liquidy. Then we got some shredded lettuce already made. Again, I didn't want to shred it. And then we got our cheese. It's gonna be sprinkled on. And we got our meat topping that we're gonna be using. These are leftovers from some tacos we had. And then our salsa, okay? So, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and preheat this bad boy, okay? We're gonna go 380 and put air fry. Time 15 minutes and 390. Start. Okay, so while that thing preheats, I'm gonna start taking out this package. Okay, opening it up. Super simple. Check it out. And this is what the sopes look like, guys. Kind of like a little tortilla bowl. Okay, easy. Alright guys, this thing's heated up, so let's go ahead and stick our sopes in here. See, we're gonna put 4 of them in, okay? I think that's what fits in here. 4 sopes, and we have this spray bottle my wife bought on Amazon. It's not cologne, guys. This thing is olive oil. So we're gonna go ahead and spray them. It's enough. So go ahead and stick them in here. And then we're gonna wait till the halfway point and turn them. Okay, so let's get started on the other ones, okay? Let's go. Okay guys, so we already put some oil in here. It's been heating up for a minute or two, and we're about to get ready to put in the sopes, okay? So just be careful when we're putting them in. Aquí también caben 4. So we're gonna go ahead and put our 4. Okay, ya los volteamos, real easy, real quick. There's one thing it has over the air fryer. These things are coming out super fast. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn them. And we're gonna put some oil in here. We're gonna spoon some oil in there. Turn all these. Make sure the inside is nice and crispy. This is at the halfway point, so it's time to flip. Check these out. Go ahead and turn them. And we're gonna add a little bit more oil on the back side. Get my spray here. There we go. And now we wait for those. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and take these out. We're going to drain these a little bit, and we're going to put them in this napkin so I could release all the oils and let the napkin soak up the excess oil, guys. Okay guys, ya están. They're ready. Let's go ahead and take these bad boys out. Right now we're going to be making our comparison on how they look, and after that we're going to go ahead and put our toppings in and see how they taste, okay? So as you can see, these look really toasty. They look kind of like tostadas. They're kind of hard. These are uh, more bendy. Look, check this out. Okay, guys, let me build these up real quick, and we'll see what they taste like. Okay. All right, guys. So there you have it. We got our dipped in oil fried sopa right here, and then we got our air fried sopa over here. Okay, physically they look about the same, so let's give it a try. What should I go with first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If you catch a little go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Guess we're going with the air fried sopa first. Mm. Oh, they're all in my nose. It has a really good, loud crunch to it. I like the crunch. Okay, guys, so far so good on this air fried sope. It's really crunchy. It's really good. Okay, you can taste everything. The meat. It's got meat, beans, avocados. Got lettuce. It's got salsa. It's got cheese, and that thing is bomb. It is really good. So far so good on that. All right, guys, let's give the deep fried one a taste. Okay. Okay. So far so good. These two. This is softer, but it tastes just as good as the crunchy one. All right, guys. So both of these were really good. The taste test, got Daniel's hungry approval. Okay, um, but for me, there's a clear winner on this one because it takes a lot less oil to use the air fryer. Okay, the crunch is good. If you guys were to serve this to me, both of them at the same time or whatever, like I wouldn't even known the difference. Okay, besides that, this one's a little more crunchy. Okay, so I would have thought this was put more in oil for a longer period of time or something. I don't know. So yeah, if you don't want the colesterol, me gusta colesterol to go up, okay, go ahead and use the air fryer, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, only the strong subscribe.